Here are some DSLR cameras that were popular among wildlife photographers. 1. Canon EOS 7D Mark II, known for its fast burst rate and advanced autofocus system, making it suitable for capturing fast-moving wildlife. 2. Nikon D850. This full-frame camera boasts high resolution and excellent dynamic range, ideal for capturing detailed shots of wildlife subjects. 3. Sony Alpha A9 II, Sony's flagship mirrorless camera, offering incredible autofocus speed and performance, making it great for capturing wildlife in action. 4. Nikon D500, another popular choice for wildlife photographers due to its fast continuous shooting, advanced autofocus, and rugged build. 5. Canon EOS 5D Mark IV, a versatile full-frame camera with a good balance of resolution and speed, making it suitable for various wildlife photography scenarios. 6. Pentax K-1 Mark II, known for its impressive image stabilization system and weather-sealed body, making it suitable for shooting wildlife in challenging conditions. When choosing a camera for wildlife photography, consider factors like autofocus speed, burst rate, image quality, low light performance, and durability. Additionally, the lens selection is equally crucial for wildlife photography, as long telephoto lenses are often necessary to capture distant subjects effectively.